everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to build a website using Mailchimp. Mailchimp isn't just for email marketing. You can create a professional website for free. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your site to customizing pages and publishing it. Let's get started, shall we? First, if you don't already have an account, you're going to have to sign up. To sign up, you click here, click sign up, then you'll be directed to a page where you have to choose email marketing, websites, or transactional email. Since we're focusing on website, let's choose websites. Now you're being shown the two plans available for websites. First, you've got the free plan. Now, this plan is for businesses who need a basic website with a Mailchimp branded domain. On the other hand, you've got the core plan, which is for teams who need to personalize their website with a custom domain. So it all depends on which one you'd like to choose, but for this video, we will focus on the free plan. You can also come down here to find out more information about each plan, but let's focus on the free plan for this video. So sign up for free. Next, you'll be taken to the sign up page where you'll be expected to enter your business email, username and password, or you could choose to continue with Google. But let's type in a preferred business email here. As you can see here, it's recommended that you use your email as your username. So now we're just going to type in a password. Great, now we've entered our business email, our username, our password. You can select this if you do not want to receive emails about Mailchimp. So let's select it since we don't want to receive emails from Mailchimp. Alright, so let's sign up now. Next, you receive a notification asking you to verify your email. So you're going to have to go to your email and activate your account. Excellent, we're in now. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Now that you're in, you're going to head over to a website on your left-hand menu. So you're going to choose website. Once you've selected website, you're going to scroll down and choose set up your site. If you'd like to use your business name as your website name, you can carry on. But if you'd like to edit it, you can do it right here. So let's go ahead with the business name, edit my site. Wonderful. Now we're ready to customize our website. On the left-hand menu, you can see different options. First, you've got pages. Here you can add, remove, or edit different pages on your website. Then you've got styles. This section lets you change fonts, colors, and overall design to match your brand. Then lastly, you've got cookie banner, which is a small notification that lets visitors know your website uses cookies. Excellent. Now let's proceed with customizing our website. Then on your top right menu, you can see preview. You can click this to see how your site looks before publishing. Then finish later. If you're not ready to continue, you can save your progress and return later. Then publish. Once everything is ready, click this to make your website live on the internet. Now let's proceed with customizing our website. First, we go to pages. This is where we manage, add, and customize the different pages of our website. If you click add, you can either create a new page or add an external link. The home page is already set as the first page visitors will see. Under settings, you can customize how this page will appear in search engines and on social media. If you want to keep a similar layout for another section of your site, you can use duplicate page to save time. Now let's move on to editing our home page and adding content. To edit your home page, you go to pages and then you click home and that takes you to your home page. So this is what our home page looks like. Now let's customize it. So first we can begin with our header. Here you can see an option to change the layout or edit the layout. So let's click here. So once you click layout, this pops up at the right corner. Here you can see different options. You've got different layouts here. So let's choose one. And let's go with the third option. Okay, you can see now it's in the middle. All right. Once you're done editing the layout for your header, you're going to click the drop down and it's going to take you to the other sections. So this is for your header. Now let's go to your intro. All right. So you can also change the layout for your intro. So here's the layout for your intro. Let's see some options here. So you can see this, or this. It all depends on which you'd like. So let's choose this one. This looks really nice. Excellent. Now we're customizing our page. Let's go back now. Now we're done with the intro. Let's go to another section. Now that we've changed the layout, we can also change the background. So you click background. If you'd like to change the image here, you can upload or add an image that's in your computer already, or you can browse for other images. All right, so that's for the background. Then you can change the color scheme. You've got some excellent options here. Click this, it changes, and you've got this one. If you want something darker, you can go with that. Or this. So let's go with this. All right, so that's for the intro. The different sections here correspond with the sections on your website. So it all depends on which section you'd like to edit. So if you'd like to edit your footer, which is at the bottom. So your footer usually contains important links, business information, and sometimes a copyright notice. So if you'd like to edit it, you can come here and edit it. If you also feel like the page has too many sections, you may choose to delete it. So here's an option to delete. So you can remove the section. And if you like one section to go above the other, you can also do it here. So that's for the sections. Now let's edit the text on our homepage. Now we're just going to customize a few things here. Wonderful. Now we've edited some text on our homepage. You can come to your call to action button here and change the text. If you'd like to change it to something else, you can just do it here. And if you'd even like to add a link, you can click here to add a link. Once your viewers click this link, they'll be directed to a linked page. So that's what you do with your call to action. You can change this to shop now. So let's change the call to action to shop now. All right. Excellent. So this is for our home page. Now let's add another page. So you go to manage site, go to pages, add, click on page, and then you can see here you can add an about page or a contact page. So let's go for an about page now and click add. Great. So now the page has been added to the website. So this is our about page. Now let's edit it. All right. So we're just going to change the text. We've edited the text now. Remember, if you're not comfortable with how bright it is here, you can always edit it. So you can come here. You can edit the layout, or you can even change the color. You can come here, color scheme, then you change it. Let's go with something darker. We can go with this. So this is for our about page. So this is what it's going to look like. The text here looks sort of big, so we can make it smaller. Okay, just go to heading. You can choose a smaller size. Okay, let's go with heading 2 or heading 3. Oh, heading 3 looks nice. Excellent. So you can also change that. This is how our about page looks like now. Now, if you'd also like to change the style, Mailchimp has an option for that. So you can go to style here and you see that you've got different options. So you can click this, then you go down and you can see different options here. All depends on which suits your taste. Okay. So let's just stick with this one. This is what our website looks like now. We've got a home page, an about page. Now let's add a contact page. Just click add page, come down here, click contact, add page. Great. A new page has been added now. Now let's edit it to match everything. Let's customize it. I'm just going to change the text here. Wonderful. Now we've got a contact page. So you can either choose to view it using the desktop view or the mobile view. So once you're done setting up your site, you can either choose to finish later. If you'd like to wait till some other time to publish it, you can do that. Or you could just go ahead and publish it. So that's how you set up your site using Mailchimp. So in this video, we've covered setting up your Mailchimp account, building your site, customizing the pages of your site, and publishing it. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.